We're here in the Bull Mountain area of Beaverton doing a kitchen addition on the backside of this home. I want to give you a little walkthrough and show you a beam that we put in last week. So the team that's been doing this project has done just a fantastic job. There were 6 guys here last week to put this beam in. So this is the addition area, and you can see that beam was supporting 3/4 of the side of the house and most of the roof load. That beam is behind the plywood sheathing there at the top of the addition. You can see right there the end of the beam. That beam is 5.5 inches wide and 25.5 inches tall. And it is supporting this entire floor section and the roof. Here's the addition. So what we had previously is right in this area here, we had a covered porch, and then the kitchen was farther that direction, kind of past where you see our protection. And this is the new space that's bumped out all the way along, and you can see where the new deck is getting framed right now. So the process with which we put that beam in was very complex. We had the entire backside of the house torn apart. We installed a temporary beam above and then brought the beam in and installed it up through the floor assembly into the wall above in order to support the entire load. So you can see this is just going to be a fantastic new addition for this home, where they're going to have a lot more space for their kitchen. And I'm really excited about it. We're through the most difficult structural part of the project. We had to support 1/3 of the upper floor, the entire back wall almost, and a good 2/3 of the roof load with this beam. And the guys got it temporarily supported, got the beam installed, so we're through that portion of the project.